the most important part of this, and I throw in the elder law there too, is wills, trust, probate, long-term care, assisted living, asset protection, right? You work this hard, maybe it'd be nice to hang on to some of it, huh? What do you think? Maybe it'd be nice. I'm just saying, I'm just spitballing here, but maybe it would be nice if your stuff served you while you're alive instead of just shovel it out the door at the first sign of adversity. Like, got a dementia diagnosis. Quick, $40 an hour. Have somebody come in the house, $400 a day at a long-term, 400 to, and it's getting near 600. I mean, seriously, $500-600. You used to think that was outrageous. $500-600 a day, right? Just to keep ticking over. Now, there's still some places out there. We had a client, they were paying like $350 a day, so that was a bargain. That was wonderful, huh? For a long-term care facility. Just had that one. Of course, it was pretty rural, and you have to travel to the Arctic Circle practically to get there. But hey, it was still only $350. Well, of course, that was before the toothpaste and the Band-Aids and the supplies, so to speak. But this stuff is crazy expensive, and if you don't deal with it, it will deal with you. You think, oh, I'm saving stuff for my family. No, you're not. You're saving it for a rest home, is what you're doing, unless you do it right.